The book of Genesis introduces us to the God of the Bible. He is not a distant, uninvolved deity. He is the architect of the universe, the master artist who painted the sunsets. Genesis reveals his heart and his character. As we explore these pages, we see glimpses of his awe-inspiring attributes. These attributes are not just theological terms. They are the very essence of who God is. They are the foundation of our faith, the bedrock of our hope. When we understand God's attributes, we understand ourselves better. Genesis opens with the powerful declaration, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." From the vast expanse of the cosmos to the intricate details of a flower, God's creative power is evident. He spoke, and it was so. His word brought forth light, separated the waters, and formed man from the dust of the ground. This creative power reveals God's omnipotence. He is all-powerful, capable of anything. But Genesis also emphasizes God's sovereignty. He is in control, ruling over all creation with wisdom and purpose. He set the stars in their courses and determined the boundaries of the sea. Nothing happens outside of his will. God's love shines brightly in Genesis. He created us in his image, breathing life into us and placing us in a beautiful garden. He walked with Adam and Eve in the cool of the day, demonstrating his desire for relationship. Even when humanity fell into sin, his love pursued them. God's mercy is also evident. He didn't abandon Adam and Eve in their sin. Instead, he provided a way back to himself, promising a Redeemer who would crush the head of the serpent. This promise of redemption points to God's incredible grace and compassion. Understanding God's attributes should fill us with awe and reverence. The God who spoke the universe into existence is the same God who knows our every thought and cares for us deeply. This knowledge should lead us to worship him with all our hearts, souls, and minds. We can trust in his sovereignty, knowing that he is in control even when life feels chaotic. We can rest in his love, knowing that we are fully known and deeply cherished. As we grasp the immensity of who God is, we find freedom from fear, peace in the midst of storms, and hope for the future. Let us live each day in light of his glorious attributes.